My name is Wilfred Pereira. I am a resident of Saligaon. I got a reliable information that a slaughterhouse is operating in Gauravaddo Calangute, front of the retreat center of Brother Johnson. So today the raid was conducted in the presence of police and the animal husbandry staff, and I was also present, and we have found out that skulls of cattle are there, and also there is a lot of many containers containing the animal fats, which looks to be a very big interstate racket of cattle slaughter. This needs to be investigated by the police and the other media. I asked the authorities to take a strict action against this.
The owner said that he has a shop and what do you call that?
Okay. Sir, there is even fresh skulls there. Like in that room, one room in the left, that is very fresh.
The slaughtering is going on.
It's going on, and it's also taking place in these jungles only. The stray cattle are being robbed, and they are being they are tied in the field and all. They are taken, they are slaughtered there, tied under a tree. Completely, the meat is removed, everything, and they are sold. And it's a nexus of very big people which has to be investigated.
Yeah.
My name is Antonio Rudolph Fernandez. आम्ही नका सांगायचं कोण येयला लागले विल्फ्रेड पेरेरा म्हणून पुलिसांक डॉक्टरीक घेवन येयला वेटनरीच्या सांगता हांगा उकडें करून दाखय आमच्या दाराचे लॉक मोडला रूम सगळे उकडें करून पळयल्या आनी आमी सांगा सर कांय तो एक्टिविटीज कांयच ना स्लॉटरिंग एक्टिविटीज आतां मोर दॅन 10 years पासून कांयच ना म्हणजे आदी सगळे फ्री आसले तेन्ना चलताले आतां कांय ना मोर दॅन 10 years पासून नथींग इज गोइंग ऑन
तुमचे शॉप आहा
आमच्या शॉपान दिसपाचें
तुम्ही हांगर कितें स्टोर बीर करता
स्टोर म्हणजे आमी ते मास्क पळय येता ते हाडाक मास्क काडून ते हाडा पळय उत्ता न्हू ते हाडून स्टोर करता फॅट पळय आहा न्हू ते हाडून मेल्ट करून दत्ता
स्लॉटरिंग
तुमच्या विचार येता पुलिसांक पळय येता डॉक्टर येवन पळोवन गेल्या सगळे पळोवन गेल्या कांय ना